Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall WeVideo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall WeVideo from your device, start by closing the application if it's open. On a Windows computer, click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings window, click on Apps. This will display a list of all installed applications on your computer. Scroll through the list to find WeVideo. Once you locate it, click on WeVideo to unveil additional options. Select the Uninstall button that appears. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Uninstall again to proceed with the removal process. Windows will now begin to uninstall WeVideo. Wait for the process to complete. Once finished, you will receive a message indicating the uninstallation was successful. Now, if you are using a Mac, begin by closing the WeVideo application. Open the Finder window, which is typically found in your dock. In the Finder, navigate to the Applications folder. Locate WeVideo within this folder. Drag the WeVideo icon to the trash bin located in your dock. Alternatively, right-click on WeVideo and select Move to Trash. To permanently delete it, right-click on the trash bin and choose Empty Trash. Confirm your action when prompted to finalize the uninstallation. If WeVideo was installed via a web browser, simply open that browser. Access your browser's extension or add-on settings. Find WeVideo among the installed extensions. Select the option to remove or uninstall the extension. After following these steps, restart your device. This ensures that any remaining files or settings associated with WeVideo are clear. You have now successfully uninstalled WeVideo from your computer. Remember to periodically check for any leftover files in your system. Cleaning up these files can help maintain your device's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.